Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I have 10 handmade Father's Day gifts that are easy to make and sure to make your dad smile. For the first gift idea, you're going to need bottles of pop, twine, and the free printable gift tags I designed. I'll leave the link in the description box below. After you print the tags onto cardstock, you're going to want to cut them out with sharp scissors. Then grab a hole punch, put a hole in the top of each tag, then insert some twine and tie it to the top of the bottle. And here's what they look like. Pretty cute, right? Next up is a fun alternative to flowers. Grab some barbecue skewers from the dollar store and a bunch of Dad's favorite treats. Then take a glue gun to attach all the skewers to the back of the chocolate bars. Then head to the dollar store and grab a container to hold your bouquet of chocolate flowers. I found this Top Dad mug at the dollar store and I thought it would work really well. Insert a piece of floral foam and then start inserting all of your chocolate bars. You can fill in the blank spaces with some crushed up tissue paper. Fun, right? And another option is to attach Timbits to the top of skewers, attach the bottom with an elastic, wrap the whole thing in tissue paper, and secure it with a ribbon. The next DIY gift uses this tin bucket that I found at the dollar store. If you can't find this exact one, you can just use whichever one you like. You can leave it blank, but if you have a Cricut, you might want to add a fun decal to the front. Mine says the bells making s'more memories. You guys know I like a pun. Then fill the bucket with all the ingredients you need to make s'mores, and you're good to go. Next up is a picture frame that is so easy to make. Grab a picture frame and take off the back. Then you're going to grab some contact paper from the dollar store, cut it to fit, peel it off, and attach it to the glass on the front of the frame. Then you put the frame back together, grab a clothespin and hot glue it to the front of the frame to make it easy to change the pictures out. Next up is a super cute Father's Day card. Start with a piece of cardstock and fold it in half. Then you're going to fold down the top of the card, probably about 1.5 inches maybe. Then using the folded line as a guide, cut the strip off the back of the card. Then you're going to cut little strips along the side of the front of the card. cut in probably about 1.5 inches again on both sides of the top strip. Then you're going to fold in the top strip on both sides to form a collar. Next, you're going to add a tie to the front. You can cut out a plain one that you can color and decorate, or you can use a piece of cardstock, which is what I'm doing here. Finally, to finish off the card, you can use some white glue to attach 2 buttons to the collar. Other simple ideas for Dad include making breakfast in bed and making food in the shape of the word love, painting a rock that says, "Dad, you rock," making a buffet of tasty treats for Dad with punny tags on them, and using your talents like your ability to use a Cricut and making a special gift. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to see future videos like this. See you next time. Bye.